Alright, so I have entered HCL Tech around this level, but I have entered with a few quantities. I haven't entered with all my risk. This is where, why is this level very important? Because if you see on the left, this is where the Wyckoff accumulation has occurred. Alright, if you see, this is where the Wyckoff accumulation has occurred. This is where, if you see, this is your spring action, the price goes back. This is your spring test of spring, the prices are here. This is your LPS. Alright, the price breaks out and the prices are now back at the LPS level. So last point of support, if you are aware of what Wyckoff is, it's LPS, right? Last point of support. So this is where we are supposed to look for long trades. Definitely this level is a little risky for us, but going with the higher time frame demand zones, like the higher time frame structure, the structure is very bullish, right? So going short as of now is definitely a risky thing. So I am in here for a long position. If the prices close above VWAP, which I guess will happen very soon. We'll hope. Let's see what the price does. If the price closes above VWAP, I'm very likely to add more positions to this particular trade. And yes, let's see what happens. Alright, looks good. This looks good. We are definitely moving higher, so I'm already in a good profit as of now. But yeah, we'll have to wait for a lot of we'll have to go through a lot of emotions, because this trade is 1:7. If I stick with what my risk is, which is half of what I risk, so I will be able to make around 1:4, 1:4, 1:3.5, which is still cool. Okay, but I'll try to add more positions. This looks very sweet to me. And yeah, this is where I try to enter my trades at the LPS. Most of the time, if you try to enter your trades at the LPS, if you can identify the LPS, then your trades are very likely going to spike in the same manner as you are seeing this. Okay, let's go to Nifty. Nifty, if you see, this is where the consolidation is happening. So if you try to simply understand this, this is your PSY, preliminary supply or support, whatever you want to call it, preliminary support, right? This is where your selling climax, this is your automatic rally, the prices creates test, liquidity hunting. Okay, so all these are tests. This is where you get your spring action, and I'm waiting for the prices to break above, and then we'll see what we can get, where the LPS actually forms. So HCL Tech, let's go back. Yeah, about to close above. Let's see if it closes above, definitely a good sign to enter or add more positions. Let's look at Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, we have created two equal lows. Keep an eye, guys. This is the level, right? Around 36,400. This demand zone. Again, this is an area of accumulation, and I'm waiting for the prices to come back here, and then I will go for long if I get an opportunity, or if HCL Tech hits my SL, I will try to take a trade in Bank Nifty. If HCL Tech hits my target, I will not do anything else. Alright, as of now it's spiking very well, and let's see what the prices can give me. 1:7 in this scenario is a good risk reward ratio, right? Cool. Let's see what the price could do. I'll update you guys with this. Okay, so right at this point I have added more quantities. I'm pretty sure you cannot see my charts on the screen, because if you have seen my last video, I've mentioned that I have a different monitor as well, and I place my orders on through mobile phones. Also, if you are here to see my PNL, guys, then please, if you wish, you can unsubscribe or unfollow me if you're watching this on Instagram, because the whole point of this explaining this video is to show you my execution and show you my trades. Alright, show you the bias, how to understand the market structure, what should be your trade locations, and all of that stuff. Okay, so as of now, if we see that the prices are getting some resistance here, which is completely fine, because there is this supply zone that could act as resistance, and the price can fall lower. That's completely fine. Okay, but we need to understand that if looking at the analysis part, the buildup is bullish, the prices are supposed to be bullish here, and we also got a good entry, so why not let's take the complete profit if the prices eventually go higher. So at this point we have also closed above VWAP. That is a good sign. If by any chance the prices close below VWAP, I would simply exit this trade. I will not hold this trade any longer. Okay, I will simply exit this trade. This trade then won't mean anything to me. If I apply wavy tunnel, which I usually use, it's not rejecting the black EMS as of now. Definitely see, when, just look at this, the black EM, when the prices are taking support of the black EMAs, you get some good spikes, right? You get some good spikes to the upside. If the price takes more resistance and then closes below VWAP, I will simply exit this trade. I will avoid being in this trade. Okay, but if we get some good momentum, we can simply spike up and hit the target. Date about HCL Tech, it's still at this position, it's still at that level. So we are waiting for this, looks like a contraction here that is absorbing the supply. So if this supply is absorbed, we can definitely see some good momentum. Apart from that, if I come to this bank nifty chart, and if I simply try to understand this area, now the problem is that I am very far away from the demand zone, hence it becomes little risky to execute these trades. So I'll probably avoid. Let's see what the price does. If we get any opportunity of entering right again, we can do it. If I apply wavy tunnel, oh damn, nice, could have been an entry right here, could have been an entry right here, missed it. Anyway, not a matter of concern, because these EMAs work very well. If I look at the bank nifty spot chart, same thing, right? Same thing, the prices are doing the same thing. Obviously it will do the same thing. Okay, let's go to nifty. Nifty, I'm waiting for the prices to break above. I'm not sure what the black EMAs are doing, very far. Haven't touched the origin of demand yet, but if the prices are creating some sort of accumulation here because of this spring action, and this could be a build up. Once this build up is taken out, if the prices retest around this area, I can look for longs. We still have high hopes with HCL Tech. I hope it doesn't do this and then fall slower. Would be really heartbreaking, but let's see what the price could do at this point of time, guys. Alright, so we are very near to exit this trade. The trade started at 10:10 and we are very near. It's 2 o'clock right now. If this candle closes as a pin bar, I will exit this trade, but I'll probably try to be in this trade as of now. So we still got 3 minutes left for this trade, and if this candle closes as a pin bar, I will exit the trade. If this candle touches this target, then like or whichever candles. So I'll be just very careful at this point. I have trailed my SL to this point as of now, because I don't want that the price simply falls back lower and hits my SL. Not my SL, but yeah, like takes away all my profits. So I've trailed my SL right here. I'm aiming for this particular target as of now. We'll try to hold this trade. So we'll let you know whatever happens here. I've exited my trade right here, right at the close of this candle, and it is around 1:5, which is a very good deal for today. I don't want the prices to like act as the spin bar and then the price falls back lower, then goes back up the next day. Alright, so I don't want that. So that was a good deal, I suppose. I've exited the trade right here.